Motorola has released a teaser for its upcoming Moto X30 Pro, a smartphone thought to launch with a world-first 200MP camera, the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 or both. The company has also just revealed further interesting specs for its triple rear shooters, including something only available to one other flagship phone OEM to date. The new details may offer insights as to what each one does, leaks rumors smartphone phablet. Motorola has now started to tease the launch of the Moto X30 Pro, a smartphone that, should it be the long-anticipated flagship refresh from this OEM, seems to have dropped the additional Edge branding from its X30 predecessor. The company executive Chen Jin's latest effort to raise hype for the device involves indirectly teasing each of its three rear cameras via some unexpected specs. The new top-end 200MP resolution that might appear in its main shooter is not among them. Instead, Motorola has chosen to zero in on the focal length per lens instead. The OEM has now revealed that the figure is different for each one: 35mm, 50mm, and 85mm. Fans of Android smartphone photography just might recognize the first of those as formerly exclusive to ZTE in the Nubia and Axon series of flagship phones, rated for improved portrait modes on those smartphones. Indeed, Motorola now effusively refers to it as the X30 Pro's humanistic shooter, and may imply it is capable of improved background blur. The 85mm spec, on the other hand, hints at a periscope lens, whereas the third 50mm focal length suggests a 2x optical zoom. Therefore, it seems the Moto X30 Pro will launch specializing in portrait photography, zoom, and more zoom, possibly eschewing things like ultra-wide angle options to focus on those modes.